Hello everyone, Gis here. I hope you're doing great. I have a lot of stuff to talk about this week, so let's get into it. Firstly, I hope you had the opportunity to explore the recent Tabletop World Kickstarter campaign that took place in June. Personally, I went all in and supported the Albert market to get all the wonderful stalls. Although I was tempted by the 3D printable STL file option, I decided to focus on painting rather than 3D printing in the future, so I opted for the physical models. In total, including the exclusive ale stall available only through this Kickstarter, I will get 10 stalls along with all the figurines and accessories. This promises to be a fantastic painting journey. I'm excited to document every step and share the resulting videos with you in the future. Did you also have the chance to participate in the Kickstarter? Let me know in the comments. On top of that, I also used the voucher I received as a second prize winner in the Diorama category of the recent Tabletop World Painting Contest. I treat myself and bought all the necessary wall section and the town gate to create a wall that should be about 4 feet long and 18 inches high. It's approximately 1.20 m long and 45 cm high. As if that was not enough, I have another exciting news to share with you all. The return of the Heroes diorama I made for the Tabletop World Painting Contest has found a new home. I'm pleased to announce that the diorama has been acquired by a miniature figure museum. This upcoming museum will showcase not only my creation, but also numerous other extraordinary models. Verkosvolt recently announced that they are set to open their door in Las Vegas. They're about 1 year away from their grand opening. This extraordinary museum will be home to an extensive collection. Over 15,000 miniatures painted by more than 150 talented artists. Words cannot adequately convey the depth of my gratitude and joy to be counted among these artists, whose work of art will grace the halls of this magnificent museum. It's truly an humbling honor, and I'm filled with appreciation to have the opportunity to contribute to such an exceptional exhibition. Stay tuned, soon there will be a mystical place celebrating the artistry and craftsmanship within the world of miniatures. If you'd like to know more, I'll leave a link to their Facebook page in the description of this video. Isn't that good news? Alright, let's pack the heroes. Since I've already made a detailed video on how I securely pack my figurines, I'm just gonna let you watch without talking too much. I'll provide brief explanation on the crucial step of securing the diorama base on the crate's lid when the time comes, but I won't give much more details. For those seeking more in-depth explanations, I encourage you to check out my video titled How to Safely Wrap and Pack Miniature Figure and Large Model for Shipping or Transportation, and How to Design and Build a Custom Wooden Crate to Ship and Transport Miniature and Large Models. You can find the links to these videos in the description below. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Tabletop World and their partner Tiny Furniture, as well as Verco's Vault for their respective success in their project. During the construction of the Diorama's base, I strategically insert pieces of wood between the two foam panels. This allows me now to securely fasten the Diorama's base to the crate lid, ensuring it will remain immobile during transportation. Rest assured, the content of the crate are positioned safely beneath the double bottom, preventing any contact with the base. I sincerely hope that you found this video enjoyable and share in the excitement of the news I've shared with you. If that's the case, I kindly ask you to show up your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. In the upcoming video, I'll begin painting this delightful Tabletop World cottage. I'm eagerly anticipating the arrival of the other models I've ordered and cannot wait to paint them as well. I look forward to sharing my progress with all of you. So until then, my friends, stay cool and take care. Thanks for watching, everyone.